For one Lafayette woman, seeing videos of her mother, who has dementia, being abused in a nursing home has resulted in criminal charges and a lawsuit being filed. News 10's Jasmine Dean joins us live in studio with a follow-up to the story we first brought to you on Wednesday. Jasmine.
That's right. Earlier this week, News 10 spoke with Patricia Verdugo about videos of her mother, who suffers from dementia, being abused in a nursing home. Verdugo says when her family was made aware of the abuse, a lawsuit was filed against the nursing home where it happened in hopes to get justice for her mother and to advocate for the medically vulnerable.
My sister and I immediately went there. We viewed the pictures and the videos and indeed identified it was my mother.
Patricia Verdugo describes it as extremely hard when watching videos of her mother being hit and abused. She says her family was made aware of the incident by the Lafayette Parish Sheriff's Office after their investigation of a murder led to videos of her mother being abused surfaced.
There was a murder investigation that had nothing to do with our situation, and this video was found in somebody who was murdered's phone.
Verdugo says after seeing the videos, her family filed a lawsuit against the nursing home and the two workers involved. She says it's hurtful to know her mother, who suffers from dementia, was treated poorly and feels the nursing home did not want this to get out.
The nursing home's attorneys think that this isn't a big deal because she doesn't remember what happened. And it is a big deal, whether she remembers it or not. But they really would like to sweep it under the carpet because of those reasons.
She says since the incident, she's experienced different emotions.
It was devastating. You know, there were so many emotions. We were sad, we were hurt, we were angry. We're still all of those things.
And despite being present, she feels regret about not knowing what her mother was experiencing while living there.
We thought we did our homework. We were there every day.
34-year-old Crystal Howard and 33-year-old Dontrell Harris face multiple charges involving cruelty to the infirmed. Howard was arrested in connection to the case, while Harris has an active warrant for her arrest. In a statement, the Lafayette Parish Sheriff's Office tells us further details on this case are not available at this time, as all court proceedings have not yet concluded. Verdugo says the reason she is speaking out now is because she wants people to know this could happen to anyone and to be as cautious as possible when trusting a loved one in the care of others.
For the families, you know, that have family in any kind of nursing home or anything, like, pay attention, be there, be on top of things, talk to people. Because I guarantee you it's happening everywhere.
Right now, it's not yet known if there is an open investigation into the nursing home where Verdugo's mother lives, as we have not heard back from the Louisiana Department of Health at this time. However, if you or someone you know is experiencing elderly abuse in a nursing facility, a complaint form with the Department of Health can be filed online or call the Nursing Home Abuse and Complaints Hotline at 1-888-810-1819. Jasmine Dean, KLFY News 10.